Being a smart welder is the only way to proceed in this career. If you're not an educated welder, you're going to get left behind in the next 5 to 10 years as technology moves in. So we're out here at Lincoln Electric in Los Angeles to do a welding procedure development course.
The course is weld procedure development, range of our amperage and a range of our voltage, and our focus is on D11 principles of developing sustainable welding records. You want to pull out the stainless steel guide real quick here?
It's basically the whole package on procedure development.
They're going to validate that it
from beginning to end.
lists all those items on.
So we have a portion upstairs in the classroom. We talk about the theory, we talk about the variables. And then we come down here to the lab and spend time under the hood actually implementing the welds that we wrote the procedures for.
It really doesn't matter how long you've been a CWI or if you're just getting into it. This class really helps define how to get to the PQR, how to get to the WPS, and then how to get into fabricating it. And Charlie does a great job of laying it out and simplifying it.
There are folks that take this seminar that have years more experience than somebody like myself. We stand on the shoulder of giants. There are many people that went before us. And in order to grow and believe in what you make, it's always important to believe and invest in yourself.
Now this is a course that I really wanted to have my coworker Brian from Central Welding come and attend.
The clients that I deal with have welding procedures that they need help with, so I want to learn the process and steps needed to complete a full WPS.
Page 15, the first paragraph where it talks about dash 15 is line. So Brian's getting from the class the process on how to qualify a procedure. Also, the resources that he gets are extremely valuable. He's mentioned that several times throughout the seminar here. And also, less intimidating environment and build confidence in the fact that he can navigate the code.
I've always wanted to work with Charlie Cross, and just the knowledge gained from working with him within this class has just been awesome.
Nice job. Thank you. Nice job, guys. Good work.
Now that Brian has gone through this course, he's able to look at the way that people are welding things and then have the ability to help them walk down the path of procedure qualification and testing. That's a huge advantage for a company like Central Welding to have people out there that aren't just dropping things off. They're there actively looking for real solutions.
One of the things that having Nate come into the seminar that's been really impressive is he's ready to just jump into the lab and showcase some software solutions and how it can be very helpful for folks that are developing procedures.
Standard pulse, so it's like droplet transfer.
We're able to show things that vets in the industry in this seminar have never seen before and encourage them that the newer technologies that are out will be able to support their initiatives and help make them successful.
I got a chance to run a cobot for the first time. I've never run any welding robotics, and within 10 minutes, I was able to make welds accurately. That is such a cool piece of technology that's really going to be implemented across the industry, and it's not coming for your jobs, it's there to help you.
There are folks in the seminar that are telling me, I can't wait to get back and to tell my boss about what we just did. So to hear that from people that have been in the industry over 30 years to people that are fairly new to the industry, there's something for everybody. And it goes back to, you don't know what you don't know. If you come in with an open mind, you're going to walk away with something that's going to make you excel.
after class, we got a chance to take the RPG truck off-road. The amount of suspension travel on that thing is just insane. I've never jumped a truck before. It's something that most people would probably do in a rental.